system of your generator. Turn off or remove the fuses of BGGCS control source inside the panel of each of your generator. By removing these fuses, you will experience the MSB or main switchboard system abnormal alarm in the alarm monitor at the control console panel. Just acknowledge the alarm. If your generator is already running, you can still reset the system by removing the fuses of BGGCS, and it will not affect the running condition of your generator engine. After putting back the fuses, the alarm in the control console panel will disappear, and the auto control system of your generator engine will be back to normal. If you did not start your generator engine before removing the fuses, now you can start your generator engine. As you observe, the frequency of your two generators are equal, and now you can synchronize your two or more generators in parallel. Shoutout pala sa mga subscribers ko.
Shoutout ko lang kay John Vincent Fernandez ang barangay Kamalig da. Biyog lang ko